select entire table, entire database. And after that, go format as table. And here a lot of table format design is available. Here you may select any one of them. For example, I'm selecting, I'm opting anything. For example, this one. Here my table has header. Header means this option. Item name, HSN, unit, rate, GST rate. This heading. This is
Okay.
main heading, means title of the column. Title of the column is called table header. Okay. Then
Okay.
click OK. As you have title header, that's why my table has header. Then see, it is one table format. And what is the utility of this arrow option? This is filter. Filter we shall learn quite later. Just observe, inbuilt with one table, always by default filter will be enabled. By using this filter, what will be? For example, you want to opt one thing. A lot of items are there. Thousands of items are there. You want to select keyboard, data of keyboard. Select keyboard and press OK. Only keyboard has been extracted among all items. Are you getting my point?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes. Multiple choice you may also take. You may select also. So with table, you are getting that one thing interesting format, that is filter option is here. And for defiltering all means for disabling filter, you need to select all. Or here clear filter also you know select. Then as usual, entire things are visible. All the columns are visible. Same as you may think others option. For example, uh, here color filter you may also do. Color filter from this option it is not available. This color filter it is you have to select first. Sorry, no, in this way it is not happening. Color filter option you will get later. Text filter you can do. Text filter means, for example, here rate are available. Now multiple rates. Here you want to choose 900. The product which are carrying the value of 900 all will be shown only by using uh, which formula, that is number filter. Here also you can take, for example, greater than. You want to extract the value. In conditional formatting, what was happening? In conditional formatting, it was happening everything. Everything means which are fulfilling the criteria of conditional formatting. Those will be highlighted by color. Here, what will be based on this option? Let me defilter it. Here, in case of number filter, greater than. See, for example, greater than what? 10,000. Okay.
Okay.
10,000 value, only 10,000 value are highlighting. Highlighting means extracting. Are you getting the difference of conditional formatting greater than, less than, and this filter option?
Yeah.
Same as here, equal to, greater than, between, top 10, top, which are inserting table. Here another one tab has been opened up. Table design. Is it visible?
Yes.
Yes,
Table
table
design.
design. Yes. Here you may give a table name. For example, multiple tables may be available on your workbook. So here you may give one information, sorry, name, database name. Table design and table name you may give here. Here it is not showing. Here criteria of name in format is required to fulfill. Start with the letter or underscore. Does not include space, character, other characters is not allowed. Here, see, space is available and sorry, space is available. So first of all, others one symbol that is dot is here. Dot should be removed and space should be removed, either removed or you may give underscore. Underscore is allowable. Now save it. Save. It has been saved and for table name is visible. Okay. So here, for example, you are available in different sheet. You may go here. This is address bar. Inventory table name is showing. A lot of table is here, and if you click here directly, you can switch to this table, this sheet, where it is belonging. Are you getting?